Hello, everybody. Today's Wednesday, May 27th, 2020. It's going to be a great day. Today's our car parade, so if you're looking to come to that, that will be starting at 3 o'clock, and it goes every 15 minutes per grade. So 3 o'clock would be kindergarten, 3:15 first grade, and so on. So please come drive through, right turn only into the Green Valley parking lot. Come see your teacher or teachers from this past year and other years that you were at Green Valley. All right, weird but true too. A Canadian juice company made 195-gallon fruit smoothie that could have filled 4 bathtubs. 4 bathtubs, 195 gallons, wow. Okay, so how many gallons would it be if they were able to fill 12 bathtubs? Okay. How many gallons would it be if they were able to fill 12 bathtubs? Okay, as far as work goes, if you are still missing any assignments, please make sure you turn those in. We'll be closing the grade books here at the end of the week, so make sure you get those assignments in, whether it's the Dragon Project or your bar graphing, pictographing, polygon hunt, any fluency checks, any quick quizzes. If you still have a review test out there, please make sure you turn those in this week, okay? All right. Any questions on those Dragon projects, please let me know. I will try to answer you directly. Make sure your parents send me an email or a remind message to help out with that, okay? All right. So, friendly message of the day equals trust equals good friendship. Make sure you're being honest and you are saying those kind things, nice things that you mean. And as long as you're being honest with your friends and they will sense that they can trust you and they feel good about your friendship, and it will be a long, lovely friendship that you'll have with those good people. Okay? Extra credit number 2, if it cost $5 per car at the parade, how many cars would it take to get $110? Now, we are not charging per car. That is just an extra credit question that I wanted to come up with about multiples of 5 and throwing a little money in there too, just for fun. All right, today's memory box item is something that I really liked when I was a kid. It's called He-Man. And He-Man was an action character. He's the dude with the sword over on this side. He's fighting his nemesis on this side. His name is Skeletor. Both powerful characters in the show. There are many characters. This was He-Man's sister. She had her own show. She's pretty cool too. So I know some of the moms out there perhaps watched either She-Ra or He-Man or both, maybe because their brothers were on or they liked it. But that's She-Ra. That's He-Man's sister. She was very powerful as well. And then that's just one more shot of He-Man and his sword. When he'd say, "I have the power," he turned into like this super strong dude version of himself and go battle the bad people in the show. All right. That's the memory box memory of the day. All right, you guys have a great day. Hope to see you at the parade. If you can make it, great. If not, no worries. All right, take care. Bye.